Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Stoneburner. I'm originally from Arizona. I go by the nickname of Stoney. That's what most people actually know me of due to my last name. I currently live in South Carolina. I've been living there since about 2004 when I joined the United States Air Force. And that's where they first stationed me at and been there ever since. I've always been into cars in some way, shape, or form. Started out at the age of 15. My mom said, here's a car, here's a motor. If you can put it together and get it to run, you can have it. Things. I was always big into the speed thing, power, but thing. So, a little bit about me. I'm 42 years old. We jokingly say on my racing team that I was just invited beyond Live Sideways, so check out the YouTube channel. That I am the granddaddy of the team. I'm the old guy because everybody else is young bucks. So I'm the old guy that drifts. I have been drifting for approximately 12 years with minus that 3 to 4 year hiatus that I had to do when it took me a little while to rebuild the motor. Tensions down the road. Honestly, I would love to just keep drifting, keep it fun. I'm hoping that I never again lose the sight of how fun it can be, because once you're behind the wheel, and especially when you're drifting with all your buddies and your homies and you guys become best friends. The drift family is like no other racing family I've ever been involved with. Everybody wants everybody to have a great time. Everybody wants everybody to be sliding with them. We love just making fun of each other and having a good time. So if you ever see me out on the track and you see my seat is empty, hop in. I will give you a ride.